Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Christy. And listen guys, I'm so glad that you're joining me today because I'm making a fabulous dessert in my slow cooker. Did you guys know that you can make dessert in your slow cooker? Well, you can. And I'm making a super easy and delicious one today, an apple pie dump cake in my slow cooker. And these are perfect for the holidays because they're so easy. It's called a dump cake because you dump all your ingredients together and you cook it. Today we'll be cooking it in the slow cooker and then we'll end up with this fabulous, delicious dessert. Now I've got my ingredients here on my counter and there's not that many of them. I'm just gonna go over them with you as I make it, but the full recipe will be in the description box below. But you guys know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. All right, so I'm going to take some non-stick spray and spray the inside of my slow cooker. Then I'm going to put 2 cans of apple pie filling in the bottom. All right, then I have 1 yellow cake mix. All right, so to the cake mix, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then I have 1 stick of butter, or 1/2 cup, that I have melted. And I'm just going to stir this into the cake. All right, then I'm going to pour the cake mix over the apples. All right, then I'm going to take about 1/2 cup of pecans and I'm just going to chop them up. All right, then I'm going to sprinkle the pecans over top. All right, and that's all there is to it. Now I'm just going to cover it and I'm going to cook it on high for about 2 to 3 hours. All right, so the apple pie dump cake is all done and oh my goodness guys, it has made my house smell so good. And of course I've got some ice cream to go along with it because I can't have apple pie without ice cream. But you guys have got to come and check this out. Oh my. This is a winner. So good, and I love the crunch of the pecans. Oh yeah. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.